This 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500H service body is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. 4WD Crew Cab 167.7 end quote, Lieutenant 4WD Standard Pickup Trucks Mechanical Rear Axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Suspension package, standard includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorbers and 3 3mm front stabilizer bar pickup box GBWR, 9,900 pounds, 4,490 kilograms, requires crew cab CK25943 model, and, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine, or regular cab model, and, L5P, Duramax 66L turbo diesel V8 engine. Not available on 2WD crew cab models. Air cleaner, high capacity transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls.